built a couple of robots here if you want to take a look to kind of show off some of the capabilities of that. So this one is called Nitro, and the first thing you see here, this is our controller, compact cRIO. The cRIO connected up from the battery through the new power board. The new power board is also going to be a nice feature for the teams. It's one single board that splits off to several different amperage circuits and voltages in order to meet all the different sensor needs that they may have. And then in this particular robot, we're also powering a compressor, which you may not be able to see, it's down here at the bottom, running through a two-stage air tank system that actually powers several air cannons that we're firing off into the crowd, some little stress balls. Other things on there to mention. There's also an early prototype here behind the compact cRIO that you may not be able to see that well of the new digital breakout, and there are going to be custom breakouts for each of our modules for the first competition that allow students to connect up to a lot of the hardware they may already have from previous years. You'll notice two Ethernet ports on the front of the compact cRIO. One is going to be for connection up to whatever wireless network system that ends up being used in the competition. The second Ethernet port is going to be for the camera. And you see what we're using currently is an Axis industrial camera that gets used for security monitoring, that sort of thing. And so it allows us to pull in anywhere from 15, 30 frames a second, always into the compact cRIO. And we can process those using our vision development module. Some of those components have been migrated over and set up for use on the compact cRIO for the competition for the students, who can use that to actually do things like object recognition, take in visual commands and act on those with the robot, and also track different objects within the field. And so it opens up a lot of new possibilities for the students with their control system.
I thought